Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to trim a video by using the TikTok mobile application. So if you are going to upload a video and you don't want a particular part of it to be uploaded and you want to edit it by using the TikTok app, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply head towards the TikTok mobile application. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen in order to upload a photo or a video. Then from here, in order to trim a video, you have to upload it from the gallery. For that, simply tap on upload. Simply select the photo or a video that you want to upload. Now I have selected a video. Now what you have to do next is to simply tap on where it says edit at the top right corner of the screen. If you'll tap on the video, it will give you a slider from where you can trim the video from where you want, and you can also select the starting and ending point. So if you want to delete a particular part of the video, so simply head towards that particular part, tap on split, and then go towards the ending part of that clip. Tap on split again and then simply delete that particular clip. After that, tap on save at the top right corner of the screen and then do whatever you want with your video and then simply upload it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.